Manonood kami ng The Breadwinner is Ika muna. Oh my God. Manood kami sine, The Breadwinner.
Pwede na ata pumasok.
Picture ka katabi ng weekend.
Thank you.
C16, left side. Right, dito tayo.
Right side tayo.
Left side, left side. And The Breadwinner. Oh, dali.
It's called a hard and it's for when people have forgotten their manners.
Ay, ang sarap na napili kong flavors, Miley.
Ano?
Ang sarap, tikman mo.
D16 tayo, di ba?
Oo. 16 and 15, C. Ano ba number sa'yo?
15.
16.
Winner. The treat. The bread winner. Bread winner.
Guys, ganda ng place. Sheesh! May mga bar pa.
Sama talaga nung sabon. Diretso lang daw.
See?
Hi guys, nasa BBC kami ngayon.
Oo, see? Ang ganda ng 3 rings, oh.